ako nito. O yung ano, yung... Gusto ko yung may safe ground. Ubusin muna! Hello! My love, it's been a long time since
Nasa IG ka naman eh.
let you out of the blue.
Ako yung huli
It's hard leaving you the way what I never wanted to. Gusto ko yung parang studio. Hey,
Uy, lumayo ka dyan.
self-denial is a game
Ayun ka
that
sa
you
mic.
never would have wanted to. There was you. Tumingin ka kasi dito.
Tsura ko, di ba?
Cause I've heard the love's beyond what human can imagine. More it clears, the more I gotta let you go. You know what I mean? It's why I don't understand. Kala ko ba ikaw?
Mamaya sa dulo ako.
So bad now when I know it was my dear.
Ano ba yan? Hindi ginagawa mong loko-loko yung karaoke natin.
No, hindi ko maintindihan to. Standing stranded on the same ground.
Okay, next naman.
Wala ba naman?
Akin na, doon tayo sa
There's no echo whatsoever.
Di ba ito yun? Ito yun, hindi na?
May gusto.
Ka bang sabihin? Ba't di
Wala sa mic yan, boss.
Di makatingin sana huwag mo na itong palipasin.
Ang sakit ng puwet ko!
Bugang itisin sa mga sinabi mo na
Iba na harap at sa sakit yun lang. Tunay kong mamahalin. Oh, oh, oh.
huwag na mo
Sakit!
sabihin
Yan ang pinapin
na di mo nadama itong pag-ibig ko na ibigay na ito.
Sakit! Sakit kasi! Parang nakasakit.
Okay na, hindi naman sa mabigat na mic.
At sa gabi! Sino? Ano? Okay.
Naiinis na ako.
Ang salat, ang hangin na hahablot sa'yo.
Hablot? Kinidnap?
Hinablos ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Ikaw kaya magtanta dito.
Ba't ang hyper mo?
Para sa akin na lang.
Ang hyper mo, hindi ko
Hyper ako kasi nakapag-C2 ako. Okay, akin na yun.
Wala namang ano let's
Ako yung ano, first-
Mamaya.
Tignan mo, we cannot share the same mic.
Makulit ka kasi. Ang hina ng mic ko. Lakasan mo. Hello. Mic test.
Ayan ang gusto ko. Hindi ko migiling.
Huwag ka nang tumango sa mic. Ang ingay eh.
Di tayo magiging akin. Di ka na muling luluha pa. Pangakong di ka lolokohin. Ang puso kong nagmamahal. Kung ako ay papalarin, na ako iyong mahal
Ang dami. Sakit ng tiyan ko. Teka lang.
Sumasakit daw dyan niya.
Eh, malamang nakaupo naman. Para sa akin. Ano pa mga kanta niya?
Pati yung trumpet kinakanta ko eh. Ten-ten-ten-ten. Kung ako'y papalari, na ako'y iyong mahalari, pangakong ikaw lang ang ibigin, napagkailanman, di kita pipilitin. Sundin mo ba ang iyong damdamin? Por qué? ¿Por qué contigo es un
Ay, ikaw na naman.
para sa akin? Di kita pipilitin. Sundin mo ba ang iyong damdamin? Hayaan na lang lumibot ang puso mo. Para sa walang trumpet?
Mr.
Ayaw, kaya pa yan nag-miss na Cupido. Ayan, JJ.
Ano ba? YouTube to, di ba? Ano ba?
Yan,
Ang gagawa mo?
Pang ano yan eh. Pang tita yan eh. I don't know what it is that you've done to me.
I'm such a crazy kid.
Oh my God. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you're doing.
It's a feeling that I want
Okay.
to stay.
Cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do when the problem here is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control and something takes over me in a daze, and it's so amazing. It's not a fake. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet. It knocks me right off of my feet. Woo! I can't explain why your love it makes me weak. Time after time after time, I try to fight it. Wala bang ano dyan? Like, apatsi.
Ano, ayoko nun. Ano yun?
Ay, wala.
Si mama dapat eh.
840 grams. 300
I cannot.
Air brand araw-araw.
It is so hard to do. Dapat pala sa TikTok live na lang yung meron pa ako ano.
Bakit hindi dun? Go, dun ka.
Wala bang
Ayoko ng
apatsi.
kurete.
Gusto niya kumanta eh, so kakanta tayo.
Sa TikTok ka na lang mag-live.
La, what if na ba? What if
Di ba sabi mo gusto mo? Ito na lang.
Okay. Titignan namin kung magpapas ka.
Sa aking kwarto, ang tanong sa aking sarili,
Konti lang, hay ka lang.
alam ko na kamali. Bakit sa iyo ba nakagusto? Chasing Pavement.
Ayan! Masyado na akong hyper, brother.
Ikaw lang mo nagpapaka-hyper. Hello, hello.
I've made up my mind. Don't need to take it over if I'm wrong. Bakit ang baba?
Ano mo maganda kasi? Kaya mo yung all eyes. Kaya mo? Kaya mo? All I ask?
Yeah.
If I tell the world
I'll never say it over if it's not said to you. And that's exactly what I need to do if I'm in love with you. Should I give up or should I just keep chasing pavement, even if it leads nowhere? Even if I knew wala pa dyan yung parang wala pang gano'n.
Ano,
Wala pang
all I ask?
rockstar.
All I ask?
Wala ba? Wala ba Tagalog? Tagalog yun. Even if it leads nowhere, I build myself up.
Ito, kahit maputing na.
Fire out in circles. Mamma Mia!
Mamaya na ito muna. Isa-isa lang, isa-isa lang. I like that song. Give me.
Ala! O sige, backup dancer ako, backup dancer.
Nag-aaway pa rin.
Eh, 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 eh. Ano yun? Kahit
Kahit maputi na ang buhok mo.
pwede na naman eh. Yung babaw na lang gusto ko.
Game. Pagdating.
Ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo, mga ngarap na nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Aba, Mamma Mia!
Lapit na.
Labang ano dyan, like 8, 0, 0, 4, 4, 6, 4.
Actually, pwede yung mag-download ng kaso sa computer.
0, 0, 4. Ayan ang gusto ko. Ayan ang gusto ko. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Hey, 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 hey. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear a the rain. One more look and I forget everything.
Whoa, whoa,
Mamma Mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I miss version. This is an old version.
Ano magagawa mo? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Oh
dancing
my gosh!
queen.
May talagang siya sa'yo.
Queen, the beat, oh, di ka.
Parang debo mo lang ah.
Yun na lang, yun na lang, yun na lang. Lampake ko. Kasintonado ka na. Okay lang.
Hindi naman ako sintonado. Hindi ko lang kayang bumirit.
Ako yung backup dancer niya.
Hmm.
You can dance, you can drive, no, resume. Resume. Watch that scene, they give me dancing queen. Level, Carpenters. Close to you, close to you, close to you. Mic drop.
Hindi mo naman alam yung Carpenters eh.
Close to you na lang. Yan.
Ako na.
Ito favorite ko, Close to You by Carpenters. You know what I mean? Ay!
Ako nga. Ay pa yung Why Do Birds? Hello.
Ayan na yun talaga, yun talaga.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Para umipot. Just like me, they long
To be
close to you.
Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by?
Just like me,
They long to be close to you. The day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled luminous in your hair and golden starlight in your eyes of blue. That's why all the boys in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you.
ito.
Yeah. Whoa, that riff though. Ang hirap mag-sing ah. Lombat na ako.
Ito. Or ito, mamaya.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars.
tapusin?
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. The world leads me. Hold my hand. In other words,
Kiss me.
I cannot read that small font.
Fill my heart with song and
Can't take my eyes off you. Can't take my eyes off you. Can't take. Yeah.
Ito na, para bang ako yung zero.
0, 2, 5. 100. 100.
Ano to? You're just a giver.
Yeah, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Ikaw, kaya mo?
Hindi ko nga alam yung ano ito na yung parang sobrang old.
Good to be true.
Ah,
Can't take my eyes off you.
you'd be like heaven to touch.
I wanna hold you so much.
As long as love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my Kaya mo yan. Wala ba ako? May let us stare. There's nothing else
Baby.
the sight of you makes me weak. There are no words enough to speak. Aray!
Ito?
How deep is your love? Alam niya ata yun ni How deep is your love?
I know. How deep is your love? Dito pala? Yung DJ pala.
How deep is your love?
Of course we know that.
Oh my gosh, I love this song! Sakit. Hey, hey. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. In the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to makakatulog yung mga tao dyan.
Don't stress, never go away.
Sway, go away. I should be much peace, my feelings. No, it gets the better of me.
Sometimes when you and I collide,
Fall into an ocean. Pull me out in time, don't let me drown.
sabi ko sa'yo, TikTok eh.
Say it's all because of you. Here I go,
Losing my control. I'm practicing your name so I can say it in your face. It doesn't seem
right to look you in the eye. Look at all the things you mean to me. I'm tumbling on my mind and this I'll tell you why.
I say it's infinitely true.
Nag-abang daw siya sa TikTok.
Say you'll stay, don't go and go like you.
Sige mga TikTok live ako.
Save my way.
That I need to know.
Maghanap mo na ako ng gusto kong kanta. Tabi, ako din yung...
Aray! It's all because of you. Alam mo ba, may sumali dito, nagsiselos ako. Oh my gosh. And your eye go, losing my control. I'm practicing your name so I could say it. Sino ba nanonood? I can't see eh. Sino nakikita?
Ano mo, maganda ba? Niramaken.
Tattoo! Till there was you. Till there was you. Tattoo in my mind is good too. Tattoo on my mind na lang. Favorite ko yun.
Kung nga kung ikaw lang ang iibigin,
Magkakailangan.
di kita pipilitin.
Please. Yeah, that one. Oh my gosh. I love. Ay, 10% na lang. So, isang song na lang. Isang song na lang.
Last song. Last two songs.
I cannot see. Oh my gosh, I like this song.
After na may last pa. Yung tayong dalawa bago
Oh my
mag-reply.
god, 10% na lang eh.
Boss Payag Castro, nagkasahod mo 3M pero oxygen mo ko to. Ikaw bayad ka, sapukin kita hanggang sa maulit kong mamatay. Bastos!
One thing's for sure, I'm on that down. Spend too much time thinking of you, and I can't get you out of my dreams. Now I know that you're the dangerous kind. Just smile.
Coach.
Tama na. Gusto mo na di ba double? Kasi I wanna charge.
Yeah, yun na nga eh. Ano nga maganda?
Oh, yeah, wait lang. This one is good. This one's good. Wait lang. Patapos ko lang tong part na to. That's my part. Oh, yesterday, I was feeling sick. All I do today is try to be brave. And the melody
Alam mo to? Ito na lang. Gcash muna. 500.
Ayoko din yan. Is there something else? Like, can it be rap? Can it be SZA? Can it be like,
Let's go with SZA.
kiss me now? I don't think I can reach that.
We can do.
Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya.
Let's try. Let's try lang.
Kung i-try ko yun.
Ala, kumalma ka. Ito oh. Alam mo yung umpisa, di ba?
Yeah.
It's so silly.
It's so silly of me to act like I don't need you back.
Ito na yung last.
And all I can think about is just since I seen you last. I know I didn't have to walk away. All I had to do was ask for space. I'm telling you, be on your way. Mas malakas pa ako sa
To fall back.
So can you come pick up your clothes? I have them folded. Meet me at the door while it's still open. I know it's getting colder. It's not frozen. So come pick up your clothes. I have them folded. This is so like, I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling in for you. Already falling in for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Every time we
Every summertime, maganda
Kaya
naman
mo
yan.
yan.
Maganda naman.
Yeah, maganda siya.
Pero mas maganda yung You've been my heart.
No, maganda din every
No
time.
worry, Phoebe.
Ayaw 4%!
Coke Zero.
Jesus!
Sinking,
Can you hold it like this?
sinking.
Can you hold it like this? Hold it like this.
Teka lang, chill.
We were on the ground, stayed out.
Wow, ang galing. Ginawa niya kong holder.
Out of Richmond in a taxi cab. You spent bullets on the way to my dad's and oh. You said, baby, think we're moving too fast.
Ganda na to ah.
Ba yan? You're not even using the mic. I swear the magnolias flashed a smile.
Atas name Ari Stenix.
And that's where got me hoping we stay a while. Stay a while. She's searching for songs.
Wala na kasing maganda.
Every summertime, they taught me to choose and worship. Wait, da. Here goes. I like this part. 25 and we're missing trash. Laugh about everyone we're hating the word. Dinner with your sister and the jokes kinda hurt. Lied away home and you're putting me first. Wait, Disney, oh, wait, Disney. Oh my Hey! What is that?
In a shallow.
No. That's Scandal Falling in Love. Eh.
It's Elvis Presley.
Wise men say
Maria Lamas.
fools, only fools rush in. Tulog na ako, guys.
Falling in love with
Sige, pampatulog. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with
Ito.
you? I don't know.
Di ba, Mike? Di mo kaya?
Like a river flows surely to the sea. Wala. Tapos maganda nga yung ano eh, yung sa taas.
Alin?
Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. If I can't help falling in love with you. Yun na sa taas.
Young and beautiful. Like
Taas.
the flowers. Alin?
Shallow? Not. Wala eh. Espresso? Espresso is good.
Ano mo to?
Novella by Join the Club. I for sure know that. Bakit parang sad song? May sad song? Kahit pa sinasadya mo akong masaktan kahit minsan bawat sandali na lang. Tulad mo ba akong nahihirapan kanta na to ni... Alam ko to eh.
Alam mo yan. Sinusundo kita, sinusundo. Asahan mo.
Yeah. I think I know.
I like this. Ito yung pagkatugtog ni Mama sana nung papatulogin niya tayo before.
Oh, mundo.
Ako mapapasa ng mga comments habang kumakanta ka.
Para hanapin ka. Ano ba yan? Hanggang iba'y pupulutin ka. Sinusundo kita. Sinusundo. Asahan mo. Wala ngayon. Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Asahan mo. Ayoko na niyan. Why is it so high? Bakit walang like,
Ito,
parang, ikaw
yung-
na yan, ikaw na yan.
Alam mo to
I'm so
eh.
done at singing. I actually wanna dance.
Lah, hindi ka naman sasayaw dito eh.
Ano ba yun? Sasayaw ko dyan.
Si Jose Golapa.
Sasayaw ko dyan? Pang ano yan eh?
Ito yung mga pinatutugtog sa atin ni Mama dati. Pangarap ko'y nagmula sa'yo. Iyong ganda ang puso'y di makalim.
Sino nagsaktan?
Piling ka.
Ayoko niya.
Tanging nadarama.
Oh my God, why is it so sad?
Pilit nang bituin sa iyong mga mata. Ang saya nitong pag-ibig. Sana ay di naman.
Di mo naman
Alam mo yung dadalhin kita sa...
sa aking
Ito yun.
palasyo. Yung mga nagkakanta sa karaoke sa mga ninang tinig. Okay na. Ang tunay at ng tinig.
Mali kasi!
Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo.
Nakakainis.
Yung mga matatanda.
Ang sarap
Itong pag-ibig, lalo na lang sinabi mo. Ayan na. Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo. Pag matanda, dadalhin hanggang langit ay manibago. 0, 4, 8, 0, 4,
Bala
4,
ito na lang ako.
0,
Garden lang tayo. Ayaw niya tayong ano eh.
0, 4, 8. Reserve.
Hello. Ayaw na.
Wait, last song ko na to. Please,
Oh,
last
last
song.
song na
Kasi
to.
3% na ako. I swear. Oh my God, you're gonna drain my battery.
Last na to kasi mag-inom na ako.
Ano ba yan? Narda? Iba yung
Okay.
Darna?
Oo, baliktad. O, tumayo na tayo. Tumayo ka na.
Inayat ka lumipad. Sumabay sa langit.
Sabay tayo, ah.
Sa nalalan na babae.
Okay, okay.
Hindi ko na alam yung lyrics niya.
Game. Kaya mo may lyrics eh.
Tila ibon kong lumipad. Sumabay sa hangin. Ako'y napatingin sa dalagang napapalo ng hiwaga. Mapapansin kaya sa dami ng iyong ginagawa. Kaya mo yan?
Kung kaagaw ko lahat, pagkasabang makilala ka.
Ano, si Balasin? Ano ako, Lola?
Jopay, kamusta ka na?
Joke pa yan ako.
Yung si Jopay nag-makeup sa'yo.
Ano ba yan?
Ako sa bangin, para lang iyong sabi.
Ito nga.
Ito ang
Alam mo yung mga karaoke kung beach day pang dagat?
para mayakap ka.
Ang dagat yung mga kinakanta namin. What the hell?
Parating kayo.
Wala na ba iba dyan? Banyo ko na nga lang.
Yung ginagawa, kung kaagaw ko sila, paano na kaya?
Can you just do wala bang ano dyan? English? Wala bang English dyan?
Pakikinggan,
English?
ibig na pala.
Sabrina Carpenter? Wala bang ganun?
Itaraan.
Wala bang Billie Eilish? Like, you know, whatever, English? English?
Wait! Nothing's gonna stop us
Oh
now.
my God, bakit ang tatanda ng taste mo?
Golden.
Hindi ko kaya yung
We're
golden.
going up, have some moment.
Bato, tingnan mo pang
You're gonna be coming.
tanda ng taste.
Ito yung lumalabas, oh! What? Sumali ka dito, Basti.
Hey, a whole new world? No, die with a smile. I was just kidding.
You say it? You say it?
Sige nga kayo. No. Yung ginagawa ng there was a way. Ano yan? I kind of dig it. You know what I mean? Bro! Can it just be with
Die
us
with a
song?
smile. Ito wonderful to me.
No.
I said no. Stevie Wonder.
I said no. Si Stevie Wonder pa, bro. What is wrong with your taste? I mean, not to be cancelled by Stevie Wonder, pero like, ang tanda.
I love you.
What the heck? Okay. I'm just gonna stop right here.
Eh, wala nga. Hindi mo alam eh. Nainis na ako.
You can just, kahit just pick a song that doesn't want to scream, like, you know what I mean? Just a chill song. Just a chill song. Just a chill song. Yeah, that's just perfect. Perfect na yan. Don't
Tama
change
na,
it.
enough na yan na yung last.
Don't change it.
Kakanta na rin ako. That's the last. That's the last, guys. I hate my hair. It's so
Bro, I don't want to do live karaoke again. You did green of she had some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. I drove 4 miles and miles and wound up at your door. I've had you so many times, but somehow I want more.
to, no?
Always rainbows and butterflies and compromise and bruises alone.
Papatugtog ko na lang ba? Pero di mo na need mag-live.
That door's always open. You come anytime you want. Yeah. I don't mind spending every day out on the corner in the pouring rain.
Basti.
For the girl with the broken smile, ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved, and she will be loved. Anyway, wala na. I'm so done. I could have just eat this mic.
You got us so late, Sunday morning, said that you were leaving.
No, I don't want to do it.
Letting go of us.
I don't want to sing anymore.
And we go
I don't want to sing anymore. I don't want to sing anymore.
And now you say you're leaving California.
I don't want to sing